Good morning, dear student of class 12. Today I am going to explain some stanzas of the poem The True Beauty, composed by first stanza. He that loves a rosy cheek or a coral leaf admires, or from star-like eyes doth seek fuel to maintain his fires. As old time makes this decay, so his flames must away. Word meaning: कोरल, a precious stone red in color, लाल रंग का मूल्यवान पत्थर मूंगा. कोरल लीफ, a leaf that is as red as coral, मूंगे के समान लाल रंग के होंठ. Admires, praises, प्रशंसा करना. Star like eyes, eyes which are as bright, deep and romantic as the stars in the sky, आंखें जो चमकीली, गहरी और रोमांटिक होती हैं जैसे आकाश के सितारे. शेक, लुक फॉर, तलाशना. फ्यूल, टू मेंटेन हिज फायर, फ्यूल टू कीप फायर्स ऑफ लव, प्रेम की अग्नि को बनाए रखने के लिए ईंधन. डीके, डिस्ट्रॉय, नष्ट करना. फ्लेम्स, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लव, प्रेम की अधिकता. वेस्ट अवे, टू डाई, नष्ट हो जाना. हिंदी अनुवाद: जो व्यक्ति अपनी प्रेयसी के गुलाबी गालों से प्रेम करता है अथवा मूंगे जैसे होठों को प्रशंसा करता है, तारे जैसी की सुंदरता को अपने प्रेम के ईंधन के रूप में तलाशता है, तो उसके अग्नि की लपेटें बीतते समय के साथ ही ये सभी गालों का गुलाबीपन, होठों की लालिमा तथा आंखों की चमक नष्ट हो जाती है. Stanzas for explanation. These lines have been taken from the poem The True Beauty, composed by Thomas Carlyle. Context: the poet describes that physical perishes with passage time. Explanation: the poet says that the love which is based on the physical beauty is not stable, it is short-lived. A lover is attracted towards the physical charm of his beloved. He had an ardent love for her rosy cheeks. He is always attracted to the lips that are red like coral. He has the fire of his love burning for her eyes, which are as bright as the stars in the sky. Physical charms of his beloved thus attract him and become the main source of love. But the fact is that with the passage of time, his beloved becomes old. Her physical beauty fades away. As soon as the beauty decays, it ceases to attract the lover, and thus his love comes to an end. Note the stanza present a beautiful use of figure of speech, star-like eyes, simile, as old makes the personification. The next stanza: but a smooth and steadfast mind, gentle thoughts and calm desires, hearts with equal love combined, kindle never dying fires. Where these are not, I despise lovely your eyes. Student, we are going through the word meanings. Smooth and steady, constant and firm mind, समान और दृढ़ मन. Gentle thoughts, good thinking, अच्छे विचार. Calm desires, peaceful aspirations of the mind, मन की शांत इच्छाएं. Combined, जुड़े हुए. Kindle, produces और excite, उत्पन्न करना या उत्तेजित करना. नेवर डाइंग, परमानेंट, एवरलास्टिंग, सनातन, स्थायी. फायर्स, पैशन ऑफ लव, प्रेम की तीव्र भावनाएं. डिस्पाइज, हेट, घृणा. हिंदी अनुवाद: कवि कहता है कि जहाँ पर सदा समान रूप से रहने वाले तथा दृढ़ मन वाले सज्जनता पूर्वक वाले और शांत इच्छाओं वाले समान प्रेम से जुड़े हुए हृदय होते हैं, वहाँ पर होने वाली प्रेम की अग्नि प्रज्वलित रहती है। जहाँ ये बातें नहीं होती है तो वहाँ मैं सुंदर गालों, सुंदर होंठों और चमकती आंखों सभी से घृणा करता हूँ। That's the same context. The poet makes it clear that spiritual beauty is everlasting. This is the beauty that should be appreciated by one and all. The poet says that moral as well as spiritual qualities provided a permanent beauty. Therefore, he praises the beauty of mind and soul. He beloved, having constant and firm mind has true beauty. Gentle thinking and pacified desires with love from a base for permanent love. The fire strong desire for a true love never dies out. In the end, the poet claims that he does not receive the beauty of rosy cheeks, lips, and starry eyes because it symbolizes the physical beauty alone. The true beauty is in the inculcation of spiritual and moral qualities which are imperishable, नाशवान नहीं है. Thank you, student. Goodbye.